Hi friends! I'm back with another quick video and tutorial. This is kind of a little flip through show and tell, and then I'll show you how to make this pocket. I learned it from another YouTube channel, which I will try to find and link in the description box below so you can see the original video as well. But this thing is super easy to make. You don't need any special materials or anything. All you need is a square piece of paper. It doesn't even have to be 12 by 12. But mine happened to be 12 by 12, and you get 6 pockets. So you get one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one right here. And it's made out of one piece of paper. So I'm in this new group where I received junk journaling pen pals. It took me till I was 34 to get a pen pal, but I'm really excited, and this is for one of my pen pals. I'm gonna send it out to her. So first, in the first pocket, I've got this little paper ruffle that I made out of scraps, and I'll also link the video below that I learned how to do this on, if I can find it again. And then here I made a little card with some washi tape to send my pen pal so she can use it in her junk journals. I wrote her a little note here. I put some pages that she can use in her junk journals, as well as some printouts of things that she likes. So there's a little printout there. Then I made this cute little butterfly card. I saved the glassine off of a package. I'm sure we all have some of this in our house. It's usually in those little window envelopes that come in the mail with junk mail. But I made that out of a little piece of that and just printed this out on my computer and put a monarch butterfly 3D sticker that I had in here to make this. And I'll also show you how to make this. It's very easy. And then I've got 2 more little printouts regarding things she enjoys, as well as a little pocket or envelope of stickers that I made and little fussy cuts. So you can see them here. So put all of that in there for her to use in her junk journals. And then there's still an extra little pocket back here in the back that I haven't put anything in yet. So I'll figure something out to put in there before I mail this out, but wanted to show you just kind of a quick little flip through of this cute 6 pocket fold up. And now I'll show you how to make it. All right, so to get started, all you need is a 2-sided piece of scrapbooking paper. Actually, it doesn't even have to be 2-sided, but this will make it really cute, like this one, because you'll see your different patterns once you fold it up. So I don't know if you can even see the pattern on this side. It's pretty light. It's a really light pink with some white dots. So what we're gonna do first is trim this extra section up here that has the hole off. So I'm just gonna use my little paper cutter and make sure it's straight, and I'm gonna get as close to that hole as possible. And then I'm gonna measure and see if we've got an even 12 on both sides. And we do. So you want it to be a perfect square. So the first step to the process is deciding which side you want to be the outside. So I think that I want this to be the outside print. So I'm gonna fold the whole piece of paper diagonally and make sure to line it up as straight as possible. And then you can see, you know, the paper wasn't maybe completely square. So I'm just gonna trim off these little pieces here with my scissors. Because we want this to be a pretty sharp point at the edge. Okay, that looks pretty good there. And then on this side, we'll trim it as well. All right, so now we have our square folded in half. So now what you're gonna do is measure 5 5/8 from corner to center and make a mark with your pencil, which I can't find. Okay, so we're gonna measure in 5 5/8 and make a little mark and do the same thing on the other side. From the corner to 5 5/8. And then you're going to take your fingernail and place it right on the mark that you drew. And you're gonna fold in this corner as straight as you can get it to the top and press down. You're gonna do the other side the same way at the same mark that you made. Fold it in as straight as you can get it. Make a good crease. And then you're gonna open it up. And these two little rectangles, I don't know my shapes anymore. These two little triangles that you make, you're gonna fold up and you're gonna fold one down. So the piece that's on top needs to be at the bottom. This will make sense in a minute. Basically, these are gonna make pockets, so you don't want them to be upside down. So you need to make sure the piece that's on top points upwards. Okay? So now what you're gonna do is take your pencil and you're just gonna make a mark where the two triangles intersect. And you're going to open it back up and take your glue. I'm using tacky glue, but you could just use Elmer's or whatever. It's not as easy to use a glue stick on this part because you want a really skinny bead of glue. So you're gonna start at the first mark that you made, go down to the point, and then you're gonna go up to the second mark that you made. And then you are going to glue straight down this fold. And just use a minimal amount of glue because you don't want it to glue all your pages together. You're gonna fold this back up and press it down really good. And then make sure that no glue has seeped out on the edges inside. We're gonna let that dry for just a second. Okay, so we've made sure that this is dry and not sticking together inside. So this is gonna be our top now. This is where our first little pockets are right there. So now we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna take our ruler and line it up to the two corners of the triangle and push up like this just so you get a nice, neat, straight fold and fold it down. And then do the same thing on the other end. Line up the 2 points of the triangle, score it, and fold it down. So now you've got this on one side and this on the other side. So now make sure you have your pocket turned the correct way. You want these two little pockets that you made facing up so that whenever it's closed, everything doesn't fall out the bottom, right? So now you're gonna flip it over again, and you're gonna take your glue and you're just gonna glue right down the bottom edge of the two triangles that you just made. Fold that in, glue it down, make sure to get all the extra glue off. And then same thing on this side. And glue that down. So now you have your two outside pockets that we need to let dry. And then if you turn it around, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets on the inside. Easy cheesy. Make sure to let it dry really well before you start using it. So I'm gonna set it aside. Also, one thing to note, if you're using thick like scrapbooking paper, when you fold it in half, it's gonna feel like you did something wrong. You didn't do something wrong. It's just the weight of the paper. If we were to use thinner paper, it would even probably still do this, but as you can see, it doesn't exactly meet up perfectly, but you're gonna stuff it with stuff anyway. So it's a cool little addition to your junk journal. Quick, easy tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I can help you kind of troubleshoot if need be. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to make this little butterfly card. Very quick and easy little project, very satisfying. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about it, and if you have any questions. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be bringing a lot more content to you very soon. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.